Hey guys, Ben here. Now I'm going to take you through heat applying our new UltraStitch range of embroidered patches. Now we're going to do an embroidered patch onto this workwear here, just like this one here. Now we've got ourselves like that high-vis sort of long sleeve shirt, and we've got the embroidered patch. Now this looks great on this heavier sort of cotton, the heavier sort of garments. Something like this is perfectly suited to this sort of garment. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to heat apply one of these using your standard heat press. I've got the Fusion IQ here as well. It's only heated on the top, but it is important because what we're wanting to do is we're going to tack this in place. We're then going to turn the garment inside out and press it from behind through the fabric to get to the glue. If you have a look there on the back of this embroidered patch, you'll see it's got a glossy sort of finish to it, a glossy film, and that's the heat applied film layer that's going to melt into the fabric, guys. So we want to make sure that that melts, and the best way to do it is through the fabric directly to it rather than through the embroidered patch, which is actually quite dense and quite thick, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to tack it in place. To do that though, I'm going to get a little bit of heat into our fabric first. So just give it a couple of seconds, guys. That's all we need to do, okay? Making sure our base plate's got plenty of heat, so's the fabric, that sort of thing. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna be placing this right there where we want it. Left chest we can see, just like you're doing any other type of logo, okay? We don't need to put anything over the top of this, okay? We don't need to protect it. It's just an embroidered patch. And we're gonna heat press down. We're gonna give it another 6-7 seconds. Done, okay. Cool, excellent. Now that's applied in place, okay? It's not gonna move on us. You have a look, yep. If I was to lift up the edges, you probably find, see how I can peel it off? Okay, so it's not stuck down, guys. It's not ready to be sent to your customer. It's not ready to go through the washing or anything like that, but it is absolutely tacked in place so that we can turn it inside out and it's not going to move on us. Now, if you were doing 100 of these, you might very well just put it to the side, move on to the next one, and just tack all of them in place, right? And then come back through and press them. Or you can do them, if you're doing a short run, it might be faster to get them. And all you do, like that, and then place it over your plate, oop, and then just feed it on. I could probably have done this a little bit better. There we go. You'll work it out onto your own plate. There we go. Just like so. Okay, now as we can see where our patch has been applied. Okay, we can see the backing of it there. We know it hasn't moved. We can see it's really well bonded on. And because this cotton is so much thinner than the embroidered patch itself, the heat's gonna get through the cotton, activating that glue, and it's gonna bond into this shirt really, really well. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that we're doing a 20-second application. So if I go to my second press, we're gonna do an 18 second. 18 seconds is fine, 18 to 20 seconds, guys. No problems at all. Okay, 160 degrees Celsius. We're going for a pressure of 7 as well on the Hotronics. Now, if you're using an STX or something like that, settings between 1 and 9, same as the Fusion IQ. 7 is perfect. Between 6 and 8, so 7, spot on. Cool, that's it there. Pull it back, we pull it out. You can have a feel, there's plenty of heat there, okay? Be careful not to burn yourself. And we can grab our shirt and turn it inside out. If we have a look there, that has been applied onto this garment absolutely perfectly. Now just to check in your own application, let it cool down and then just have a feel of the edges. The edges should be all really nicely welded down onto the fabric, okay? You shouldn't be able to lift them or anything like that. This is a really high grade quality embroidery patch and it should be stuck on there really well. Guys, it'll wash perfectly like any other transfer. That, if done properly, will last the garment itself. Guys, if you've got any questions, reach out to us, email, phone call, or check out the website. Cheers, guys.